guys, so today we are doing mini Kool-Aid pies. I was so anxious. I'm so ready to try this, like, for real. I've been seeing so many people do it. And I've seen B-Love and her brother, Key Cam and the fam. I've seen them. I've seen so many Kool-Aid pie videos, but today I'm gonna try it myself. But I'm gonna try mine with what is it? I'm gonna try mine with this cream cheese. So, how you guys doing today? Good, I hope. I hope we all staying sanitized, washing our hands. Only going outside if you have to. You know, the good stuff. And enjoy your family while you're home. Oh my God. I'm so excited about making these. I am. Okay, so I'm not going to use the whipped cream yet. So I'm going to, I should have got my blender, huh? I guess oh, child, I'll pie it. Oh no, I don't want to pie this. Oh no, maybe I can. Can I pie it? Well, I'm saying pie it, child, because of, you know, my arm. Mom be strong, boy. Somebody better watch out, boy, because after I finish making this, you don't want none of this forearm. All right, y'all. Let me go ahead and smooth this on out. About to use the blender. Ooh, okay, hold on. Okay, oh shit. All right, y'all. I'm finna add my Cool Whip, and I am not doing any measurements. No, I am not. It's kind of frozen though, just a little bit. But who don't love some frozen whipped cream? All right, let me blend this together and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm making progress. So, and I blended the cream cheese and the Cool Whip together. Now I'm going to add the sweet condensed milk. Like, this stuff is so sweet, but it's good. I'm telling you, ain't nothing like this sweet condensed milk. But we're gonna see in these Kool-Aid pies though. All right, y'all, so I'm about to blend this and I'll be right back. I just don't blend it while I'm on camera because it's so loud, you know? Okay. All right, I'm going to add the Kool-Aid. Ooh. All right, I guess that's good enough. All right, y'all, for real, like, these are so cute. They're so cute. Okay, so I'm going to fill them. Oh my God, they're so cute and little. Look how cute they are. Y'all hear some typing? That's my baby girl back there working. Well, I think I overflowed that. Don't judge me, y'all. I have 6 more that I'm going to fill up. And you know, of course, you're supposed to let these sit in the fridge for about an hour. I'm so excited to try these. I mean, it's kind of a crazy combination, like with the Kool-Aid. But if you love Kool-Aid, you know, Kool-Aid's your best friend. You know that back in the day. Come on, stop playing with yourself. All right, so I'm going to cover these. You know what? I'm gonna cover it later. But I just want look at how cute that is. Okay, I'll be back when they're done. Okay. Okay. Oh, y'all, here it goes. Look at that. The mini Kool-Aid pies. Oh yeah, and by the way, I tried it off camera, and when I tell you these things are the bomb.com, they so good, y'all. They really are. I know y'all done seen these around, but I decided to make a video since I was making them for the family today. Alright guys, thank you for taking the time out to watch me today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, please. Love me like I love you. And until next time, guys, make you a Kool-Aid pie. They good, y'all. Bye.